Draw flash. So if you identify the males by looking at the size, for the almost same size. But the black ones are the small one. Yes. They are distinctly very small. Meaning, or if they are not very mature, then we are not able to distinguish between the males. But the big population, the big percentage of the colony size should be the females. So majority of all these are females actually. Our cabins. So actually this one, it has been colonized halfway. So what we say, we would even have to, at the end of the month, you conduct another inspection. Okay. So that you will see whether all the frames have been fully. That's okay. So this one has been colonized well. The colony is strong, okay. But at the end of the month, we will need to ascertain whether the frames have been combs have been built before you place the wool, before you place the super in place. But for now, the good thing is that the colony is there, they are still working because we've seen they've built the combs. For the remaining part, that one they can do it in a short while because the expressions of nectar and all that is that will help in building up the comb. So for now, we only need to give them some more time so that they finish the work in the brood chamber. Once they are done with the lower chamber, then it will be ideal to place the super. Otherwise, if you place the super now, it will stay there idle because they are not yet done with the work in the lower chamber. So once they are done with the work in the lower chamber, that's when you are advised to place the super. Because ideally the super is for ensuring it's like a stock for the bees to put there, not to store the extra hive. You can just smoke it that time it happens.
Meaning we give it a month?
Yes, a month will be ideal. Now that we've done the inspection at this one, I think at the start of June, another inspection is needed to ascertain whether it will still be ready to place the super. One thing you should avoid whenever you are doing these activities is to kill the bees. You see, we need them more. Yeah. So if you kill them, then their population goes very low.
Therefore, you should try as much as possible
not to injure them, not to kill them, just chase them away. They will still find their way back in the hive. So we are done with the inspection of this one. I think what we can say generally is that the colony is there. These are working. Therefore, we need to give them some more time to finish up the work in the lower chamber so that we can be able to place the super. Otherwise, you should not place it at this time.